Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best needle in the thread is probably one of the most versatile and beloved hand sewing techniques, a timeless skill cherished by crafting enthusiasts of all levels, from beginners taking their first stitches to seasoned professionals creating intricate designs. Mastering needle and the thread opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to transform fabric and elevate your sewing projects with precision and elegance. This video will guide you through the essential techniques and provide you with the knowledge to confidently incorporate this classic method into your sewing repertoire. Number 5. Ryalan Weaving Needle Combo. This combo has everything you need for your next hair weaving project. It includes durable thread and a variety of needle sizes to meet all your needs. It's thicker and more durable than other threads, strong enough to hold extensions of any length for months. You'll get 3 spools of black thread in this kit. This set includes 10 curved needles in a variety of sizes and shapes. You'll find large, medium, and small C-shaped needles, as well as J and I-shaped needles. They're ideal for sewing hair wefts, wigs, weaves, and clip-in extensions. This set makes sewing hair extensions easy and efficient. With this complete kit, you'll have all the tools you need to create beautiful and long-lasting hair extensions. Get yours today and start creating. What we like. It has multiple colored threads and various needle types to meet all your hair extension sewing needs. If you're a wig maker or hair extension specialist needing a complete kit, this is perfect for you. Its comprehensive design saves you time and effort. What people say. Very strong material, easy to use, and comes with different needle sizes. She said it was fairly simple and it worked well. I like how there's a different variety of sewing needles, but my favorites so far are the curved ones. Number 4. Topus Upholstery Repair Kit. It's the best-selling kit for repairing all kinds of fabrics. It includes everything you need for a professional finish. This kit comes with 7 heavy-duty needles in a variety of sizes and shapes. You'll find the perfect needle for any project. Each roll provides 70 yards of strong, 3-ply nylon thread. It's perfect for hand or machine sewing. The thick, waxed thread ensures your stitches are strong and long-lasting. Use it with a heavy-duty needle for best results. It's ideal for carpets, canvas, upholstery, coats, tents, mattresses, furs, and leather. Repair almost anything with this kit. Keep it away from children. The needles are relatively sharp, so handle with care. What we like. This kit boasts extra strong thread and heavy-duty needles ideal for tough fabrics. If you need to repair upholstery, canvas, or other durable materials, this is your best bet. Its strength and durability make it perfect for long-lasting repairs. What people say. Needles are very strong and have no problem getting through canvas and softer leather. The thread is very heavy-duty and has to be cut to length. You're not going to break it by pulling it. Another great feature of the thread is that it is 3 strands twisted together. Not braided or bonded. That means that if you can triple the amount of thread by simply untwisting it and using just 1 strand. The needles are good for penetrating neoprene wetsuits and nylon webbing. The nylon was heavy but not clumsy to use on leather car seats. The curved needle was absolutely perfect to use on seam of older car driver seat. And no, the eyelets are plenty big to push through the thread. And much stronger than regular needles. Several options in this kit. Number 3. Boao 70 PCS Wig Making Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for your next wig making project. It includes T-pins, curved needles, and plenty of thread. The T-pins and needles are made of plated steel, ensuring durability and smoothness. The thread is designed for easy use. It comes in a convenient plastic box, keeping everything organized and easy to transport. No more messy needles and pins. You'll receive 50 T-pins, 20 curved needles, and 328 yards of black thread, a total of 70 pieces. Everything you need to get started. These tools aren't just for wigs. Use them for knitting, modeling, and various craft projects, as well as for repairs. Whether you're a seasoned wig maker or just starting out, this kit provides the essential tools for creating beautiful, custom wigs. What we like. This set includes T-pins to secure wigs during styling and curved needles for wig construction. If you're a wig maker, this set provides everything you need for a professional finish. The convenience of having all the necessary tools in one place will streamline your workflow. What people say. I used this set to make my first wig. I loved working with these needles and T-pins. They didn't bend and it's nice to have so many of them. The needles and T-pins come in a small box which makes storage easier and reduces the risk of injuries. When the fabric is thick. It is good when you need to match an exact angle between prior stitch marks. I had to match stitch marks in leather I was repairing. So, their flexibility was a plus for my task. Number 2. Singer Polyester Thread Set. It has 30 assorted colors of high-quality polyester thread, each spool with 50 yards. Plus, it includes 5 large eye needles and a needle threader for easy use. It's perfect for both machine and hand sewing. Whether you're mending clothes, embroidering, or crafting, it's got you covered. This thread is expertly crafted for lasting strength and reliability. It's built to last through any project, big or small. With 30 colors, it offers a wide range of choices for your creative projects. It's more economical than buying individual spools. The durable plastic case keeps everything neatly organized and makes it easy to take your sewing supplies wherever you go. What we like. It offers a wide variety of thread colors and includes large eye needles for easy threading. If you enjoy diverse sewing projects, this set's versatility is unmatched. The wide color selection and ease of use make it perfect for both beginners and experienced sewers. What people say. Exactly what I needed to tuck into the kitchen junk drawer for those quick repairs. The case is sturdy and has space to slip in a packet of needles and a couple of needle threaders. Perfect for adding to my sewing basket so that I have any color of thread that I need at the ready. I like the variety of colors and a good thick of the threads in a very convenient case. Number 1. SHOUD Needle Threader. Say goodbye to struggling with tiny needles. This handy tool makes threading a breeze, saving you time and frustration. It's made of durable plastic, ensuring it will last through countless sewing projects. Its compact size makes it perfect for any sewing kit. Threading a needle has never been easier. Just follow 3 simple steps, and you'll be ready to sew in seconds. Whether you're sewing clothes, crafting jewelry, or working on other projects, this tool is perfect for threading all sizes of needles and beads. Its small and lightweight design makes it easy to store, and the included box keeps it organized and protected. Choose from packs of 5, 10, or 25 threaders to suit your needs. It's the perfect addition to any sewing enthusiast supplies. What we like. This needle threader is simple to use and incredibly convenient. If you struggle with threading needles, this tool is a game changer. Its compact size makes it perfect for carrying in your sewing kit. What people say. Works fine. Never used one like these before, but they are easy to thread and different. This is a hooked probe you pass through the eye of the needle. Lay on the thread and pull it back through. So easy, and now I have enough spares in this one order to last forever. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.